Welcome to DESI ASTRO. In this Python tutorial on Astropy, we are going to learn that how to construct a white light image from a fits data cube. So white light image is basically the sum of your each spatial pixel of the data cube along your third axis, which is the wavelength axis of the data cube. Okay, so in this fashion we convert your 3D cube into a 2D image. Okay, so from here you can understand that you have these three images. Okay, so these images are at like lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3. Okay, so what we do, we sum over the each pixel of this image uh, on the your spectral axis or the wavelength axis. So like it sum the intensity of your each image along your wavelength axis. So let's do it using your using the data cube. Okay, so first of all we will be downloading the data cube from this website. So click on that and then go to the manga observation and you have the data cube. So you can download the log data cube, right? So here is downloading. Okay, all right. So our data has been downloaded and you can put in data in the same directory as your Python code. Okay, so now I will do with these stuff using Python code, right? So I will add a cell here and then I can import some libraries. So import libraries. So I will import numpy. So this will take care of your array and numerical stuff, and then import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. So this will take care of plotting, and then from astropy dot input output import fits. Okay, so this will take care of your fits file stuff. Now I will read data cube. Okay, so read data cube. So for that type command here fits dot open and give here you can write here cube equal to fits dot open and give function. So it will take your file name. So I have the file name manga. Okay, this is log cube, manga log cube. Okay, so you got your cube here. So this cube has some information. So cube information you can get from here, cube information. So just type here cube dot info on it. So you can see here this is your data cube and flux is in your like second SDU. The number second number and number is 1, so it's a n plus 1 SDU. So like you have this much data, and so now you can extract the flux. Okay, so because this is like you are going to construct the flux map, so here you can extract flux and data. Okay, so you can call it flux equal to cube 1 for your first SDU and dot data. Okay, so if you did see your flux save, okay, flux dot save. So you can see that your wavelength is the your axis 0. Okay, so your wavelength is at axis equal to 0. Okay, so for now I'll plot this white light image. So now create white white light uh, image data. Okay, image, it's say image 2D data, right? So for that I will get a variable white um, white light image, right? And then I will give here a function called flux dot sum and see what it takes. So it takes x is okay. So here I can give x is equal to 0. Okay, so type here x is equal to 0. So your data has been created. Okay, so you can check it. White light shape. So white light dot shape. Okay, so you can see it is in like this. Okay, so we have got your 2D data from 3D cube. Okay, from 3D from 3D cube. Now we have this shape, plot it. Okay, so plot uh, white light image. So for that type here pretty dot image. So okay, this is for showing the 2D data. So I am so and give this variable as white light image and plt dot so this will show the run it. Okay, so here you can see that you have this beautiful plot of white light image of this galaxy, right? So this way you can obtain the white light image across your all wavelength. So I hope this very short tutorial has given some insight at how to create your white light image from a data cube. So thank you, and if you feel any problem you can comment. Thank you again.